Beauty Experience 2025 debuts in style at Phoenix Mall of Asia, Bengaluru. Neha Sharma unveils Bengaluru's most glamorous beauty celebration, featuring global showcases, celebrity and brand-led master classes and live performances. Bengaluru, June 2025. Phoenix Mall of Asia proudly hosted Beauty Experience 2025, a dazzling three-day celebration that brought the best of global beauty, expert artistry, and live entertainment together under one roof. From June 13th to 15th, the Fan Park at Phoenix Mall of Asia transformed into Bengaluru's premier luxury beauty destination, attracting enthusiasts, professionals, and trendsetters from across the city. The extravaganza was launched with unmatched glamour by Bollywood actress Neha Sharma, who set the tone for an unforgettable weekend of style, sophistication, and indulgence. Her star-studded inauguration marked Beauty Experience as a one-of-a-kind luxury experience, celebrating the art and innovation of beauty. Attendees explored the largest collection of beauty brand stores housed within Phoenix Mall of Asia, which proudly hosts the city's most extensive selection of international beauty labels. The event featured specially curated showcases from select iconic brand launches, limited edition collections, and the latest in beauty innovation to the forefront. The evening welcomed guests into a world of pop-up beauty bars, skin consultations, mini makeovers, fragrance lounges, and exclusive product sampling by the world's most coveted beauty houses. A live masterclass by makeup expert Gauri Kapoor set the tone for the days to follow, offering insights into seasonal trends and expert techniques. The night culminated with a soulful live performance by String Fisher, adding rhythm to the revelry. While launching the Beauty Experience 2025, actress Neha Sharma shared, "Beauty is deeply personal, and that's what makes Beauty Experience so powerful. It's a space where creativity, confidence, and individuality come alive through the lens."
One day, thank you so much for organizing this for us, because the next 3 days is going to be a power. Welcome her on stage. Miss Poonam, request you to kindly join us on stage. Oh, there she is. Let's put our hands together for her, everybody. So, well, I think Neha has to go around for summer shopping.
Well, I'll never say no for shopping. I'm really excited because I did some on my way here and I'll do some on my way out. So I think I just want all of you to have a lovely evening. Let's make this evening truly magical. Hope you get what you're looking for. Shop and get your partners to. It's just amazing.
Well, thank you so much, Neha. Thank you so much,
to glow up. Learn a thing or two about makeup. You're going to learn that from these lovely people who are going to teach you about beauty and makeup. So the master classes are amazing. It's in our own country. Right here, you can try what you like and return it if it's not perfect. Then you can just go to one mall and find everything, whether it's skincare, whether it's clothes. Because I remember there were days when you used to send your friend, "Acha, you're going to this country for a holiday. Can you get this for me?"
So true, so true.
And then you could never try clothes. I think this mall's got everything. And I was like, I don't know, one of the finest malls I've seen. And when they say Mall of Asia, it stands true to its name because it's got everything that a woman wants and a man wants too. And then there's food. So I think it's just, everything is right here under one roof.
And let's talk about the brand. So now we do not have to go to a different country to shop. Mall of Asia has got all our brands right here, all under one roof. And what do you want to see? What do you want to see when you come to a mall?
First of all, a very good evening to all you lovely people. Thank you for coming here, joining me here. And I hope we can have a beautiful evening together. I have been really excited to be here because Beauty Experience 2.0 is here. We've got some amazing brands here in this mall, as you can see. When I go to a mall, as every woman, I want to shop everything. Clothes, shoes, bags, makeup, accessories, I don't know, everything. I think women just love their shopping.